Okay, my friends, we are on our way to a service call out here in East Hampton, New York, and it's a BI-36 that needs new freezer drawer slides. Okay, so originally the original drawer slide part number was 703-1885. This is what Sub-Zero sent me, 704-2772, and this is a kit. And what you have to do here, they send you this new, sorry, I'm in my car here and I don't have much room. They sent this new panel. You'll see it when I get it out of the box, because it's got a slot in it to accept the longer slides. And you got to take the ice maker out and the back panel and all that. Look at this. This is a major job. So I already put the right slide in because I was here last week. Somebody from my company took this piece out thinking it was for somebody else, and now I'm going back to finish the job. So you can follow along, and we'll see you there. All right. Limit switch, frost heater. You can see this has a cutout slot here for that track. So, okay, we got just so we don't mix these up. These are males and females, so you can't mix those up. Here's your ground wire. Then you have your defrost heater, white and gray. And you have your limit switch, blue and white. Let's see. Okay, gray and white. That's the defrost heater. These have different pins in them, so you can't mix them up. So we have this one up here. So you could do one at a time, just to be sure you don't mix anything up. Okay, we got a male and a female. There we go. Something ain't right there. That's the blue and white. Okay.
It's hard to put them in, right?
Yeah. It's not that hard. It's just, it's kind of a new thing, and I have to learn how to do it.
Yeah.
All right. Let's do ground wire. Okay, now we have another wire here that goes to the blue and white wire goes to this heater here. Blue white stripe. This should be the white and gray, so this should be the limit switch. That's got two females, and this has got a male and a female. It's got a male and a female, so something's wrong here. This here, that goes to the fill tube heater. Okay, so we got one problem here. The defrost heater, the limit switch. The limit switch is blue and gray, and on here it's not. Blue comes down, comes out of there. Blue is right here. The blue is going up to here, blue and white. Blue is going into here. Okay, let me figure this out. There's a problem here. This plug. These are two females, and this is a male and a female. And that's the reason why that will not go in there. So, I don't know if Sub-Zero is aware of that. I could, doesn't say anything about changing the limit switch. So I'm going to have to change the female to a male. Let's see if I have something to do that with. Alright, so we got two females, a male and a female. So the female that's a female. That will not go in here. We have to change this to a male. And I'll see if I have something. I could always cut the old heater loop, tube heater off. So I got a male. Goes in like that. Two males. See, this is a female. So we're going to put this in here. Okay, so that goes in, and then we're going to splice these together. So these are the heater being supplied. That blue wire is going up to the fill tube heater, the gray and white, and these are the gray and whites. So these are going, the power has to come in through the limit switch and then go to the heater. So I'm going to cut this little cable tie right there. I just want to follow the wiring. Alright, so the power's coming in. Here's your common, your gray. That's the heat. Gray and white. We got three wires coming in here. Oh yeah, two grays, gray and white, and blue. So the blue coming in from here. The blue is usually defrost, so it comes up, goes through the heater. Alright. look, this is the heater, right? The heater's got a male and a female. That's got a male and a female, so that's got to go in like that. And this one is the one we had the problem, which was the power is coming in, and so feeding going through the limit switch, and then to the heater. Okay, so we're going to put this together, and we're going to test it. Alright, rather than just supply the cover, they just changed everything around. Alright, so these glasses are hurting my nose. Okay. Okay, that's it. That's it. Okay. that was a very difficult job. Oftentimes, whenever you do something new, you have to learn what to do. So it took me an extra long time on figuring out how to put that kit in there. But the major problem that I feel that we had was that the connectors for the limit switch and the defrost heater did not line up properly. One of the pins for the limit switch, the defrost termination switch, had a male and female pin, and there should have been two males. So as you see, I put another male pin in there. So now I'm a little concerned that I'm hoping that it was because Sub-Zero made a mistake, because if it's not, then that means when that thing goes into a defrost cycle, it's going to short out, blow the circuit, and probably blow out the limit switch. So I will not know. I told the customer to keep an eye on it for a day. By tomorrow morning, if everything's okay, then we should be good to go. So thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. I hope I was able to help. Next time you do a job like that and you have to do this kit, just be prepared, charge accordingly. It's a big job, especially the first time you do it. All right, we'll see you on the next one.